Welcome back to my channel, guys, and if this is your first time here, then welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe so the next time you come back, this will be a welcome back. All right, so I went ahead and just went and put on the screen there exactly what everything is that I'm using, but I'll put the exact measurements down below in the description. There's a range of things I'm using. I started there with 2 different types of soy sauce. This next thing here is oyster, some hoisin sauce, some sesame oil. Then I'll go ahead over to the dry seasonings or ingredients such as my sugar. And then I'll go ahead and add in my veggies or roots, whatever you'd like to refer to them as. So I included some scallion, some minced garlic, and I just took a very small piece of ginger and actually went ahead and just shredded that with my cheese grater. And lastly, there's some chicken stock, and we mix this all up. That's literally the entire sauce. There isn't much to this. Pointer here, you just want to go ahead and actually strain that out. These veggies here are actually really great if you want to throw it into another dish that you're making, But yeah, you strain them out. You don't need them. After you've gone ahead and mixed your sauce up, you're just going to heat it here over your pot. And then you're going to do this cornstarch and water mix, which once you see your sauce starts to boil, you add in that cornstarch and water mixture, which will then allow your brown sauce to thicken. So this is how you get that consistency that we know and are familiar with and love from the Chinese takeout. And then simply after your sauce is created, guys, you literally are just going to toss in whatever ingredients you're having. So I made chicken and broccoli. If you guys want to make shrimp and broccoli, beef and broccoli, it all works the exact same way. Let me know how this dish went for you guys. I want you guys to try it at home. I made mine along with some white rice and some wings, and you guys can find those videos on this channel as well. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you guys for stopping by.